Recently, I had a really great opportunity to be part of a music video for my friend Raeshaun for his track called Flavour. Now, Flavour is an amazing song. It has this really catchy rhythm and flow to it. Now, one thing is I was doing behind the scenes coverage. So I was taking photo and video. I got to experience what the main guy was doing. So some of the cool things that we did were we got a scene where we were in a private jet, a plane. So we actually got to sit in it. We got to just be ourselves and just have a lot of fun in it. Now, and being at the age I am, I never thought I'd be able to sit in something that cool that soon in my life. So, I mean, I was really excited to be part of that. Inside the plane, we got some really cool shots of the girls and of Raeshaun himself, you know, doing his thing, singing a song, doing other gestures and money and everything like that, like and throwing out money, all his cool stuff in the video. And we got some really cool shots. So I was sitting in the back with my gimbal and I was recording the main guy, the main videographer, and then obviously everything that was happening there just as backup in case, but also just so we can use in our promo stuff. So that was a really cool experience, and we were really efficient with it and got a lot done. That was something that was really cool because we got everything done on time and very efficiently, and the result that we got in the main video, so if you want to see that main video, check it out. I'll link it somewhere on screen or in the description. We had some really cool shots from there, and we got some slow-mo, some nice like music video-esque stuff. It was amazing. Now next in the video, we go to a condo, and this was a separate day, and this was something that was really cool as well because if you're from Toronto, you realize how beautiful the city is. But the cool thing is being able to see it all at once. So we were in a condo. So I'll put some photos or video on screen. We can see exactly what I'm talking about. Condo was beautiful.
You have a model stuff right now? So when people run, she's not here 60 minutes. So once you run it,
the condo was like 60 floors up, and it had a glass pane that goes all the way around the entire floor, so you could see one end of Toronto to the other, and the CN Tower was right in front of us. So you get so many cool views there, and I got some really cool snaps. It was amazing. And the whole lounge itself had a really nice feel to it, very warm, cozy, and we had all friends there. We were just hanging around, playing, taking photos, because I love taking photos too. So I was taking the photos of some of the other people who were there, and we just got a lot of cool things. So it was amazing, and we had a lot of really cool experiences there, and everyone got some content to upload. All the people who were there, Raeshaun himself, even I got some Instagram photos, and it was just amazing to be part of and to experience the whole music video beginning to end. I'll put his handle on screen if you want to see who he is, but he had the pavo tubes, the nanolite pavo tubes, which are like massive lights. They're about the size of my arm, my full arm, so they're quite large, and they had some really cool lights to them, so we used that. And then he had his red camera, so I'll put a picture of the red camera on screen now. That was something that was really cool because as someone who loves cameras, I saw a red camera in real life, but also just how cool and how capable it is of doing stuff in real life. Because you always hear things online. I knew how good it was, but you never know until you actually experience it in real life. So that was something really cool, and we got a lot done. And even with nothing crazy, like we didn't have crazy effects, we didn't have a lot of crazy things. And that was something that we still got done. We got a fantastic video done, and it's been shown everywhere. We got uploaded to certain accounts, we got on certain things, and just to be part of that was an amazing experience. So for Raeshaun and his team and his manager, everything, it was amazing being part of it, and thank you for having me there. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to follow me or Raeshaun or any of the other team, I'll put them all over here so you can follow them. Just hit them up, interact with them, and be sure to keep up with them because they're all releasing cool stuff, and including me, I'm also releasing some new videos, some new content. So if you want to follow me, hit the like button and subscribe down below, or follow me on my Instagram, TikTok. It'll pop up over here. So thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll put a few clips of the video or my behind the scenes in the end of this video. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.
Throw 100 on your wrist and 100 in the bag. Baby girl, you wanna fuck, cause you know I got the bank. And I spend it all now, you ain't gotta ask. You gon' get it all, cause I know you like to brag. And as long as I get paid, you know we play that. Had it on the beach and we lay back. Tell me what you're doing, my baby. Please don't waste my time, but I know it's a lie. I know where I And girl, you just fine for the night, yeah. Face down low and the bass down low. Girl, you know it ain't nothing. Why you ask me for? Spending racks on your closet, it don't hurt me, no. Why you putting one back? You can cop that.